You suck at badminton! And that's okay. Here are the 5 reasons why you'll never be good as a pro, and if you do want to become a pro, then you'll have to overcome all 5 of these obstacles. Join our YouTube memberships. The first reason is your movements, your swing, and your footwork will never be as small and as quick as them. One is because you're not in good physical shape. These athletes can train up to 8 to 10 hours a day, and more than half of that is spent conditioning their physical body. So you see that professionals often practice a lot of this fast footwork motion so that they're able to be very quick on their feet, so that when they're moving around the court, it looks like they're walking instead of slumping around. The next thing is their swing. The biggest smashes you'll see in the world is very small. They come up and all they do is accelerate, boom. It's like they're just tapping that smash, but the speed they're able to generate onto that, one is because they weigh very light, so they're able to accelerate their body fast. Second is they practice that motion so much every day and really focus on generating that onto the small point so that they're able to hit that fast smash. The second reason is that your training partner is not good enough, and that's the truth. One thing is because of the reaction of shots. If you're training with someone that has a low quality of shots, then you'll get used to very low quality shots. When you're playing with someone better or more consistent, you won't know how to react with that. So one thing I did when I was training back then, I had a rule, which is maybe difficult, but you can pull it off if you want, is never play with anyone worse than you. So that's gonna require a lot of social skills, a lot of friendship skills, but that's gonna help you improve very quickly because you're always improving every time you play someone. The third reason why you'll never be good as a pro is you never play in competitive tournament conditions. Sometimes the lights are different. In stadiums, you have those big beam lights that just shine down in your face and you can't see anything. You also have wind that's impacting your gameplay. Is it going fast, forward, backwards, left, right? And you have the audience that's also affecting your mental game. So there's all these factors in a big tournament that takes a lot of experience. The fourth reason is your training is not consistent. So one is your quality of training. Are you training at a 9 out of 10 level every time, or 8 out of 10, or sometimes 9, sometimes 7, sometimes 5, sometimes 6? That's very inconsistent. So consistency is key. Second is the quantity that you're training. You have to make sure that you're doing it the same amount every day because muscle memory does fade. And if your consistency is not there, your muscle memory will also be inconsistent. The fifth reason why you'll never be good as a pro is because you're watching this YouTube video. Let's be honest, if you're watching this video, you're probably trying to find a shortcut to fix whatever problems you have, but you're not training on the court. And that's okay. For most people who are recreational competitive players, watching these videos will help them. But if you do want to become a professional, all you're going to be doing is training with a coach 24/7 on the court. And that's the truth. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join our Discord community with over 800 badminton enthusiasts just like you. And join our YouTube memberships to get access to more in-depth advanced training badminton guides.